Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video we are going to take a look at line breaks and paragraphs. Now you can see this code is actually not the one we used before. I deleted all the parts that I typed within the body part from my previous tutorial. Here we are going to just see the paragraph and line breaks. Now let's go ahead and see that. In previous video we have seen the header, header 1, header 2, and then a paragraph. Like it's not a paragraph, it's just a line. We didn't use the paragraph in the last video. Here we are going to see paragraph and line breaks. Those are the two new things we are going to learn. Now let's go ahead and see one by one. The first thing is let's take a look at let's see what happens if I just type without anything. If I just type in the body, like this is my paragraph, this is my paragraph, because I like it. I'm just typing something, so now let's save this one, and then I run this one, and you can see this is my paragraph because I like it. These are two lines. You can see I put it in the down, like I took one I wrote the second one in the second paragraph because I like it, but it's not coming as it is when we run the website, so it's not showing like that. Now repeat that? Alexa, stop. Yeah, Alexa is answering for something. Okay, this is my paragraph because I like it, and then you can see it's not showing the second paragraph, so we can do something to make it into two paragraphs. Now let's see. The first way is typing P, and then I close it right here. Since we have two paragraphs, we can just do it as P1, P1, and then I'm gonna type this is my paragraph, and I close this one, /P1. Now this is my paragraph, and then because I like it, I'm just gonna just type something else because I know when I type it's gonna get deleted, so why don't I just type this is my second paragraph, and this is my second paragraph. Okay, and the /P2. Close this one. We save this one and run this. Okay, there's something wrong here. Let's figure out. This is my paragraph. Okay, I think the P1, P2 thing is wrong. Maybe we just have to use P all the time because there's no such thing as P1, P2. It's just all P. Okay, now let's save this one again and then run again. Now you can see this is my paragraph and this is my second paragraph, because the mistake I made here is typing P1, P2. I was like thinking in the same way I think for header. When it's a header we type header 1, header 2, but for paragraph we don't do that. We just type P alone, we don't put numbers. Now you can see we have, this is my paragraph, this is my second paragraph, but you can see there's a space in between, but that's why we are going to learn line breaks. It's actually remove the space we have within these two paragraphs. If you want to type with the space, then this one is paragraph is good, but if you don't want the space and you want this one into the next line, it means you have to use the break. That command is basically br space backslash and close this one. When you do that, you don't even need the paragraph. Like now we don't need the paragraph we use the paragraph to make two lines, but if you put br this one, it's going to just line break is actually going to make the paragraph for us, so we don't have to do one extra work. Now you can see this is my paragraph, this is my second paragraph. This symbol thing actually divides this one into two paragraphs. That's another thing. And here we wanted to learn two things, paragraphs and line breaks, so we actually looked both of them. Now let's type something big and see the differences of everything. Now here what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna erase everything, and let's include the header as well. Let's put h1, and then here I'm just gonna type best website ever, and then I close this one with \h1 and then close again. Okay, now this is my paragraph. I'm gonna just type this is my paragraph. It's my paragraph. This is my paragraph, and then this is the second header, h2. This is the second header, and I close this one, \h2. Then we are gonna type another paragraph, and remember, for paragraph we don't put numbers, so we just put p over and over and again. So this is my this is the second paragraphing, and I want to leave a space. I'm gonna just put a \br to bring it in the next line. So it's a break line. We add the break right here, and then it's gonna bring us to the same, like without space. We are gonna have a next line, and now I am done with this tutorial. Done with this tutorial, and then I finish the paragraph with \p. Okay, now that's it. Now I'm gonna save this one and see what we are gonna have. Now you can see best website ever. That's our first header, and first header always gonna be very big and bold. And this is my paragraph. That's actually simple paragraph, that's why it's in the normal letters. Okay, something happened. Okay, here we go. Now this is my paragraph. Oh god, what happened now? Okay, here we go. Okay, now let's bring this one down here. Okay, I put it here and see, we can see it now. This is my paragraph. That's just the paragraph, that's why it's in the normal letter. Then this is the second header. That's what, second header always less, it's smaller than the first header, but it's still bold and big, but it's not bigger than, it's smaller than the first header. That's it. And then we have a paragraph. Then we put a break here, so it's gonna go to the next line without any space. That's all I want to show you guys in this video. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. See you guys in my next video.